In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, you'll need to force quit the YouTube app. So launch it, close it, and again relaunch it. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So launch settings, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Likewise, make sure you are connected to stable Wi-Fi connection. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, check for the updates for the app YouTube. Launch App Store, search for the app YouTube. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, you can check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser, search for down director. Now type in YouTube and search for it. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete YouTube from your device and reinstall it. So close this. Navigate to YouTube, press and hold on it. Click on the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then launch your App Store, search for the app YouTube and then install it. Also give a fresh restart to your device and that's it. These are some fixes for YouTube not working on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.